Hello beautiful souls, and welcome to the Affirmation series. Today we are going to have affirmations to help you with finding your purpose. The way to let these affirmations work well, you can either repeat them or you can listen to them and let these affirmations wash over you with love and healing. What we will learn today is not only how to say these affirmations, also what comes up for us as we repeat these and think about how we feel while saying them. We are retraining our brains with positivity each day and allowing the negative thought patterns to take a rest and flood our system with joy and happiness. How often have you wondered what your purpose is? Repeating these affirmations at a time when you are not sure about why you are here will help you and allow you to take control of yourself and put yourself in a positive position. So get comfortable, relax. You can close your eyes or leave them open, your choice, and let's begin. I am open to trying new things. I am open to trying new things. I am meant to live a life of meaning, purpose, joy, and fulfillment. I am meant to live a life of meaning, purpose, joy, and fulfillment. I have all the energy and resources I need. I have all the energy and resources I need. I am glad to be alive. I am glad to be alive. I am excited about what life will unfold. I am excited about what life will unfold. I believe every moment is precious. I believe every moment is precious. I am grateful for each day of my life. I am grateful for each day of my life. I am thankful for my health, happiness, and joy. I am thankful for my health, happiness and joy. I am fulfilled and motivated. I am fulfilled and motivated. I am a unique person who makes a difference. I am a unique person who makes a difference. I find motivation and inspiration in every situation. I find motivation and inspiration in every situation. It is easy for me to be excited about life. It is easy for me to be excited about life. I am driven by my curiosity. I am driven by my curiosity. My life and purpose have a deep meaning. My life and purpose have a deep meaning. I seize every moment. I seize every moment. I am able to pursue and fulfill my higher purpose. I am able to pursue and fulfill my higher purpose. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. I channel my energy towards anything I desire. I channel my energy towards anything I desire. I am aligned with my purpose. I am aligned with my purpose. I am committed to becoming my best self. I am committed to becoming my best self. My life purpose always keeps me motivated. My life purpose always keeps me motivated. Every action leads me to my purpose. every action leads me to my purpose. I am strong and persistent. I am strong and persistent. Following my purpose is easy for me. Following my purpose is easy for me. The answer is within me. The answer is within me. I am in tune with the universe. I am in tune with the universe. I am going confidently towards my life purpose. I am going confidently towards my life purpose. My passion is ready to find me. My passion is ready to find me. I listen and follow my inner voice. I listen and follow an inner voice. I am completely focused on fulfilling my purpose. I am completely focused on fulfilling my purpose. I follow my dreams. I follow my dreams. My life has meaning. My life has meaning. As you slowly let these affirmations sink in, take a deep breath and give yourself a hug, knowing that all is well in your world. Now take some time to reflect on how you feel. Use your journal and think about how any of these affirmations made you reflect on and what areas you may need to work on. Try to think about the affirmations that brought you joy and resonated deeply with you, also the affirmations that triggered you, and examine the reason why. Journaling, reflecting, and doing some inner work and repeating these affirmations are the best way for these affirmations to really work. Listen to these in the background when you are working, cooking, tidying up, walking, and even driving. Allow your subconscious to take in what it needs and let go of the rest. The more you listen, the more these affirmations become a part of your thinking and therefore begin to manifest in your life. And so it is. See you again for another in the series of affirmations.